Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Idioms Explained podcast. This is Season 2, Episode 14 on Learn English by English. I'm Emily, your host.
And I'm Alex. Great to be here. Emily, before we talk about today's idiom of missed opportunities, let's catch the answer to the What's Alex's Idiom Challenge from S2E14.
Let's do it. Last time, Alex, you described a city council finding a park design that pleased two groups with different ideas by combining aspects of both. A good solution offering benefits from different approaches.
That's right. And we asked our listeners which idiom from Season 1 best described getting the advantages of two different things at the same time. The correct idiom was
The best of both worlds.
the best of both worlds, meaning a situation where you can enjoy the advantages of two different things simultaneously. Excellent work by everyone who guessed that. You can find that idiom in Episode 3 of Season 1.
Fantastic job, everyone. Now, Alex, what idiom are we looking at today that describes the unfortunate situation of being too late for something good?
Today, Alex, we're discussing an idiom that many of us try to avoid: to miss the boat.
To miss the boat. Oh, that definitely sounds like a lost opportunity. It means to fail to take advantage of an opportunity because you were too slow to act or you didn't realize its value in time, right?
Precisely. It implies that an opportunity was available, but you were too late and now it's gone. For example, the concert tickets sold out in an hour. If you didn't buy them immediately, you missed the boat.
It's a frustrating feeling. What's the origin of this phrase, Emily? Is it literally about missing a boat trip?
Yes, the origin is quite literal, Alex. It refers to the very real experience of arriving at a dock or harbor only to find that the boat or ship you intended to travel on has already departed. In times when boat travel was more common for passengers and cargo, missing your boat meant a significant delay or lost chance. The phrase then became a metaphor for any missed opportunity.
That makes perfect sense. So, just like missing a literal boat, you can miss a metaphorical boat for a job, an investment, or a trend. For instance, he waited too long to invest in that new technology, and by the time he decided to, he'd missed the boat. The prices had already skyrocketed.
Exactly. Or, she wanted to apply for the scholarship, but she missed the boat because she didn't submit her application before the deadline. It often carries a sense of regret.
It does. It highlights the importance of timing and recognizing opportunities when they arrive. It's not just about an opportunity not existing, but about it having existed and you failing to act in time.
Well said. It can also be used more broadly to mean failing to understand or take advantage of a new idea or trend. Some older companies missed the boat on e-commerce and struggled to compete.
That's a very relevant modern application. So, to summarize for our listeners, to miss the boat means to lose an opportunity by not acting quickly enough or by failing to recognize its value in time.
An excellent summary, Alex. A good reminder to be alert to opportunities. And speaking of not missing out, are our listeners ready for today's What's Alex's Idiom Challenge from Season 1?
Let's hope they catch this boat. Here is today's scenario.
I was at a meeting where a very serious and obvious problem was affecting our team, but everyone was talking about unimportant details and avoiding the main issue. It was very frustrating because the big problem needed to be discussed. Which idiom from Season 1 best describes that big, obvious, undiscussed problem in the meeting?
Those frustrating meetings where the real issue is ignored. Listeners, what do you think? Which Season 1 idiom describes a major, obvious problem that everyone avoids talking about? Don't miss the boat on getting your answers in the comments.
We're looking forward to seeing your timely and accurate guesses. And that's our time for this episode.
Thanks for joining us for Season 2, Episode 14 of Idioms Explained podcast. Make sure you're subscribed to Learn English by English and have that notification bell on so you don't miss the boat on any of our new episodes.
We appreciate your continued viewership and support. It helps us keep this educational boat sailing smoothly. Until next time, everyone.
Bye for now.